welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys we'll cover a problem that could happen on a Ford vehicle, and most of them will be that problem will be fixed the same way. So we have that Ford Fiesta here, whether it's Fiesta, Focus, Mustang, even a pickup truck, and your brake lights don't work. We'll show you how to fix that. So the first thing to check guys, I'll go ahead and check the light bulbs, because that will be the most common and easiest thing to do. So what I'll do next, I'll get the manual, okay, and you'll find the fuse box and the fuses that the vehicle has, and you need to look, okay, for signs like right hand exterior lamps, left hand exterior lamps, everything that relates to lights. Okay, you can see brake lamp right here, another fuse. So we have quite a few fuses that actually feed the brake and the outside lights as well. So that will be the second thing to do. And the third thing that I always check is the brake light switch. That's very possible fault as well. Most vehicles, if that switch doesn't work, even the cruise control will not work. But most of them have two components. So some are different. Some just have the cruise control, some have the brake light and cruise control integrated in the switch. So let me show you what it looks like. And the brake light switch is located, okay, you can see the brake paddle. It's usually above the brake paddle. Okay, you see that blue thing, it'll be blue, white, black, different colors. Some of them you remove them in different way, but specifically this one you just turn counterclockwise. Okay, and you pull it out, and here it is, the brake light switch. So most likely check the fuse, check the lights, check the brake lamp switch. You can find the procedure to test them as well. They're very inexpensive. See if yours works, and you can know if you need to replace it or not. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please subscribe to World Mechanics and see you next time.